Hi everyone, my name is Ross Bagurdes and welcome to my course, Introduction to Cisco Automation and Software-Defined Networks. I'm a network engineer with more than 20 years experience building enterprise networks and teaching people about them. Networks are becoming larger and more complex as information technology becomes the center of our personal and professional lives. New tools and features are needed in order to provide redundancy, accurate configurations, and efficiency to the ever-expanding quantity of devices needed to provide networking to data centers and to end users. Cisco has developed next-generation software-defined networks, or SDN, in order to provide tools for engineers to better do their jobs. Additionally, configuration management is paramount to a robust and resilient network. This course will introduce the key components involved in Cisco software-defined networks and automation, including describing the software-defined network fabric, explaining the benefit and operation of VXLAN tunneling, describing API communication, describing JSON encoded data, and looking at the configuration management tools used to keep configurations accurate. By the end of this course, you'll understand the underlay and overlay networks used to create the SDN fabric, as well as better understand how APIs are used to manage networks. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with IP routing and encapsulation, Layer 3 switches, and VLANs. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Cisco software-defined networks and automation with the Introduction to Cisco Automation and Software-Defined Networks course at Pluralsight.